Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place vehicles into Brookhaven. So you're just going to select this icon here and you're going to select the vehicle that you want. I'm just going to go with this cute car. What about this one? Why can't I spawn at location? Okay, oh, this one's cute. Okay, I'm just gonna spawn this one. And there's also a few vehicles that you can only spawn like in the ocean, so I'm just gonna go there. Well, like river, ocean, whichever one you're at. I'm just gonna wait here. I don't know if I don't think you can spawn on this one. I think you can spawn like at the beach one. This is just like a mini beach. Let me try to find it. I actually don't remember this map that much. I think it's like this way. Also, I'm the worst driver ever, so sorry about that. I don't know what this does. Like, no lie. Beep beep. Okay, there we go. We gotta go faster. Damn, come on. Oh, I don't think this is the way, if I'm being honest. Well, you can only spawn like the boats and stuff in the ocean. If I can like show you. Oh, I think it's there. Let me just go there. I'm so sorry. This ride is taking a long time. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, it's so cute. It has like a butterfly at the back. Oh my god, okay. Both spawn beyond this point. So I'm just going to spawn. Let's see. What do I want to spawn? Maybe like a shark? Or this one? And yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!